Hello everyone, your voice here and welcome to our channel Sansevieria 101. So for this episode, I'm going to go back to my hybrid playlist. This playlist was specifically created for Charoonsak's hybrid. So this specific hybrid right in front of me right now is coded with CH18996, and I have about 15 to 16, maybe close to 20. I'm not keeping track, but I am right now. So because it's becoming very hard to keep track of the Sansevieria hybrids that I have, so I made a playlist of the Charoonsak's hybrid. Each breeder or Sansevieria breeder have their own way of keeping track of their hybrids. So Charoonsak, what he does is he places his initials right before he places the numbers of might be the seedling number or something, but they're coded, and this one is having the code of CH18996. Maybe he has planted around 18,000 seedlings, but I'm not sure exactly what the numbers signifies. So as well as I am also logging in this specific hybrid in videos, because this is one of the Charoonsak hybrids that I forgot to log. I'm having a lot of hybrids that I myself can't keep track of them. So this is one way of me keeping track of the hybrids that I have, and organizing them in a way so I can go back and record their progress. So another dilemma that I have encountered with regards to forgetting the specific Charoonsak hybrid is that, by the way, Charoonsak is a breeder and he's from Thailand. I am a breeder myself, and I also use a specific code, but I'm not logging in my own breed or what I bred as of the current, but I will, because I have at the moment about hundreds of seedlings that I have to take note of or record, so I can track down which one I crossed with which species or hybrid of Sansevierias. But I will be making my own playlist with my own way of having a record of them. So it might be also my initials, RAL, and some number codes on them, because I have at the current I have hundreds of seedlings that I planted. So to keep track, I'm also using the same coding as Charoonsak does, having his initials, then having numbers beside the initials that he has. What I'm doing right now is I'm having my initials RAL, then the tray number, then the number of columns of seedlings that I planted on a specific tray. But in the future, you will see what I have been breeding, and I will be recording them on this channel as well. Right now, though, we're still discussing the specific hybrid of Charoonsak, CH18996. It is unnamed, and you will see the longitudinal lines on the leaves or the leaves of this specimen, and I will say that it is very confusing to another hybrid from Thailand named Vienna. Let me set this aside so I can help you differentiate the difference between the two, because as for myself, when I look at them, I'm having a hard time differentiating, especially at first glance. Luckily, I was able to plant them in different colored pots, so I was able to easily backtrack them and figure out what I have. Also, with the help of some of my very informative friends, Franco Mercader and Shiv, they helped me out into confirming what hybrid I have. So this one right now, which I planted on the gold pot, is the Charoonsak hybrid CH18996. And let me get the other one for you. The other one is named Vienna, and it is also a Thailand hybrid from the Pramodi brothers. So there you go. When you have them side by side, they at first glance they would look exactly the same, but there are differences with them, and if you have untrained eyes, you would be confused as to what you have. So luckily, I planted them in different colored pots. So this one right now is hybrid Vienna, and this hybrid is also from Thailand, but a different breeders. They are the Pramoti brother of the Suwan Unya Mani Garden, and this hybrid Vienna is a hybrid of the Cylindrica mutation Bonsal crossed with the other hybrid Ed Abbey, or formerly known as Patens. So that's how it looks like, and if you would look at them at first glance, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. But like I said, thanks to my friends in this collection, they were able to help me out into identifying which one's which. So this one is the hybrid of the Bonsal and the Ed Abbey. If you look closely, the canals are deeper, and then there are reddish edging on the sides of the base leaves, or the older leaves of this hybrid. But as they grow further, the red edges disappears. So let me go back. Aside from that, when you see the lines, they're fine lines. They're like a ballpoint pen lines, but they're fine. So let me move this over and put over the other one. Sorry about that. Yeah. These are very heavy pots. By the way, they are cement pots. So let me give you a closer look. So the hybrid from Charoonsak also has lines, but the lines on them are not very fine. It's a difference between the ballpoint pen versus a sign pen, which is not fine. It has ink marks scattered compared to a fine point ball pen. So that's one way for me to identify what differences the hybrids would have, so I can easily identify them in the future. Hopefully, this helped you out into if you're planning to buy the hybrid from Charoonsak CH18996. By the way, this is not named, and it is just identified by the hybriders code. The other one is Vienna, and it came also from Thailand. Both came from Thailand, but the other one was bred by the Pramodi brothers from the Suwan Unyamani Garden. So I think this is it for this episode, and I'll be placing this on my Charoonsak hybrid playlist. If you like the content, folks, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, everyone.